morning guys! Finally, we are now here in Hong Kong. Siyempre, hindi kompleto ang ating Hong Kong trip kung hindi tayo pupunta sa the happiest place on earth, Disneyland. Yes guys, for today's video, pupunta tayo ng Disneyland. Siyempre, hanggat hindi pa umuulan dahil according sa weather report, meron kasing bagyo ngayon and hopefully hindi umulan today. Kaya guys, huwag natin patagalin to habang hindi pa umuulan. Samahan nyo kami and let's enjoy Disneyland. Let's go! Okay guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Tong Chong Station kasi kailangan natin mag-train papunta ng Disneyland. Oh my God, ang daming tao. Oh no! Saan tayo pupunta? Disneyland. Okay, here we go. Muulan pero laban yan. Wala yan sa kapote dyan. Okay, nakapila na tayo. Yan ang haba ng pila. Oh no! Actually, sakto yung ano natin, yung dating natin kasi pabukas pa lang yung Disneyland. Kaya din siya maraming pila. And ang maganda kasi guys, pag pabukas pa lang to, meron siyang show sa harapan before talaga totally papasukin lahat ng tao. Na hopefully meron pa rin show considering na umuulan. Kaya tara, tignan natin. Ayun na guys, nagpapasok na. Ayun na, pasok na tayo. Naku, mali yung ticket mo, Clay. Iwan. Tapos ako pala iwan. Thank you. Okay, here we go. Oy, wait, oy! 1, 2, 3, let's go! Okay, we made it! Disneyland! Energy naman, ak ng tinukla, oh. And guys, that's the line ng pagpapapicture kay Mickey Mouse siya kay Minnie Mouse, oh. Wow! Ayan nyo, oh. Mamaya na tayo, hopefully makachempo tayo ng konti lang pila. So, mabuti na lang talaga, bumili kami ng kapote kagabi. Kasi ang forecast nga talaga may bagyo for the next few days yata or for the whole week. Oh, no. Para laban kahit bumagyo, di ba? Ayan na guys, that's the Kaso. Diyan mangyayari yung fireworks mamaya. Hopefully may fireworks kasi medyo malakas yung ulan. Kasi for me, that's the highlight of Disneyland experience, the fireworks. Let's go! Okay, dito na tayo sa ating first ride. Shield Science and Technology Pavilion. Wow. Okay, pasok na tayo. Let's go. Thank you. Okay, let's go. Masaya tong ride ito, guys. Bari lang to. Let's go. Bang! Grab those blasters and get ready to do some damage. Let's go.
Great. Everyone pick up those blasters.
Let's go! Bari na! Bam! Baby! Let's go! Bang! Ayun na! Oh, there's Bash! Woo! Oh my God! Keep blasting! Bang! Mothership na! Hello! Woo! Let's go! Keep on blasting! Bang! Woo! Yun! Bang! Ayun na, mothership na! saya nun. Baby! Baby! Happy? Happy? Nagising yung diwa nito, oh. Baby! Okay, dito naman tayo, guys. Star Expo. Ay, bawal si Baby. Baby, bawal ka pa daw kasi Wala, iiyak yan. Tawagin ko sila. Let's go, pasok na tayo. Kawawa naman si Zion, di nakapasok. Actually, last year, hindi rin siya nakapasok dito kasi merong height limit. Wow, ang ganda, oh. Wow! Let's go, Iron Man. Let's go. Tara na, guys, sa Hall of Protection. The Hall of Mobility. Yun, ang ganda, oh. Tara, pasok na tayo. Let's get our 4D glass. Thank you. Bawal siya eh. Kaya bawal si Baby kasi ano to, theater. Gumagalaw yung yung seat. Baka malaglag siya. Ayan na, guys, let's go. Actually, swerte kasi hindi sila mga suplado dito sa personal pwede mag-film. Okay, swerte. Yan. Okay, here we go. Let's go.
Jarvis XO8, you are cleared for takeoff.
睇到未呢個位？
今日嘅旅程，我哋將會飛到去全新嘅香港中山大樓。修復擋風玻璃，啟動研發技術。
Yan, yan.
Stand by, your launch door has malfunctioned.
發射門機。
Let's go! Yeah! Ano si Iron Man?
Wait, what? Hydra wants my arc reactor? Get out of there, Jarvis. I'm on my way.
Woo! Oh! Oh! Oh!
Jarvis, you need to lose some weight there, buddy.
唔該曬先生。
Whoa! Whoa! Oh my God! Whoa! Whoa! Let's go, Iron Man!
Hey, miss me?
史達先生，
Oh!
That arm, Jarvis. Blast him.
Ah!
Good job. All robots destroyed?
史達先生小心。
I am really...
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Whoa! Wow!
史達先生，
Whoa!
Ladies and gentlemen, the Air Force has arrived. Let's go.
Let's go!
I'll keep you safe.
Woo! Whoa! Bam! Boom! Woo! Go, let's go, let's go! Oh! Oh! Woo!
Hi, how are you? Enjoying the tour? Hey.
所有乘客安全無恙。
Jarvis, those aren't just guests. They're heroes. Bailey, show me the grappling tables.
Oh my God! Whoa! Woo! Oh my God, babasa na ako!
Okay, good. We're almost there, buddy. Hold on. Jarvis, detach the cable.
Whoa!
We saved the arc reactor. I couldn't have done it without you. Hey, Wendy!
Yay! Woo! Kaya nun. Okay guys, dito tayo. Encounter with Iron Man. Pa-picture tayo kay Iron Man. Ayan na baby, pa-pictures kay Iron Man, oh. Huwag mo sabihin bawal na naman yan, bawal.
Pwede, binilang lang.
Ayun, pwede, nakalusot. Zion, pwede, Zion? Zion, pwede ka na? Pwede ka daw dyan. Baby, pwede ka raw, pwede. Yes, let's go! Okay. Let's wait here. Team tayo, team. We're a team.
Dito ka sa harap.
Dito ka sa harapan, baby.
Ala, ayun na, baby.
Oh, yan. Niskan ka na. Baby, niskan ka, baby. Wow. Let's go. Wala, baby. Niskan ka na.
請大家留喺原來位置。
Okay na. Wala, baby. Niskan ka ulit.
Oh shit, not good.
Yes, let's go. Okay. Right, here we go.
Did someone say Iron Man? If not, somebody say Iron Man.
Iron Man!
Okay, let's make it happen.
Whoa!
Wow!
Whoa! Let's go! Woohoo!
Wild. Okay, everyone, picture time and be patient. There are a lot of you, and as we all know, there's only one of me. Come
Oh,
right up.
picture niyo ako. Okay na kayo. Camera, bigyan niyo camera.
Just put down your
Camera. Let's go! Woo! Wow!
Glad you're here. Great
Wow.
idea. Being seen together. Gotta give the public what they want.
Wow! Okay, let's go! Thank you, Iron Man! Yun. Let's go! Bye, Iron Man! Let's go! Thank you! Let's go! Bye! Oh my God! Thank you very much! Thank you! Grabe yan, kaya naman experience na yun. Sobrang accommodating nag-assist. Pinag-picture nila kami ng 2 batch tapos isang batch. Full family yung saya. Tsaka smiling face yung nag-assist sa amin kaya sobrang ganda ng experience. Adult na tayo, enjoy pa rin talaga. Enjoy ka ba doon kay Iron Man? Oh, what? Spider-Man naman? Ah, sige, hanapin natin si Spider-Man. Let's go. Okay, let's continue. Kahit umuulan, laban yan guys. Walang makakapigil sa atin. Ulan ka lang, noity kami. Sayang ang bayad. Oh, lakas ng ulan oh. Grabe. Pero okay lang yan. Tuloy lang, tuloy. Ito na guys, here's the castle. Ang ganda oh. Hindi nyo na malapitan no. Yan yung fireworks mamaya. Hopefully may fireworks. Kasi ang lakas ng ulan eh. Ang ganda pa rin ng Disneyland guys, kahit umuulan, no? Or ang mga pambatang race ang pupuntahan natin yan guys, dahil kasama namin yung mga kids. Kaya tara, let's do this. Ayan guys, probably our next ride is the carousel. Ayan! Okay, here we go! Hi! Hi! Man! Hi! Hello! Masaya? Okay, dito naman tayo sa Winnie the Pooh. Let's go! Basa ang baby! Okay, dito naman tayo sa Winnie the Pooh. Right? Tati! Zion! Hi! Puro Puro pang kids na ride tayo ngayon guys dahil kasama ko puro ticketing. Yung mga dalaginding nandun na sa labas. Naganap na mga pang matatandang rides. Let's go. Okay, dito tayo bro. Yeah! Oh, doon pala tayo. Oh, sorry. Okay, all together now. Alright, here we go. Go, 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 go. Yeah, hey, bibigyan ko si Sayan ha. Let's go! Woohoo! Tingin kay Papa. Wow! Ayan na! Woohoo! Okay ba? Masaya? Masaya? Masaya ba, guys? Zion! Masaya ba? Okay, we're done. Let's go. Grabe naman yung prime nito. Parang di naman nag-enjoy Zion. Oh, wow! Hindi na umuulan, no? Thank God, tumigil din ang ulan. Makakapag-enjoy na tayo lalo. Let's go! Masaya na ito. Yes! Tumigil na yung ulan! Woohoo! The happier adventure begins now. Okay guys, dito naman tayo sa World of Frozen. Wow, ang ganda oh. Swerte natin, tumigil yung ulan. Okay guys, dito tayo sa Frozen Ever After. Let's go. Hello. Hi. Let's do this. Hi. Hello. Alright, let's go. Baby. Okay na, okay na. Tati, Beati. Ayan na, under na, under na. Ako na, ikaw na. Ayan na, under na. Kita naman, oh. Kita ka naman, oh. Ako, mababasa tayo. Woo! Ayan na. Okay, here we go. Uy, naku, mukhang mababasa tayo dito, ah. Oh, no! Walang basaan, ha. Naku, delikado to. Ayan na. Ay, may ghost. Wala. Hindi nga. Wow. Wow. Hi, Olaf. Hi, Olaf. Kaway, 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 kaway. Bye. Hi. Hi ka, hi. Hello. Wow. Hi, Olaf. Hi. Ayan na. Nako. Okay, we're done. Let's go. Masaya, masaya. Good, good, cool, cool. Extreme ba, extreme? Masaya ba? Masaya? Okay, let's go. Halika na, baby. Para sa'yo, masaya? Ikaw? Natakot. Nagulat siya. Nagulat. Hindi raw masaya. Para sa akin, hindi masaya. Yay! We made it! Ayun yung pictures natin, oh.